Hi, welcome. Right, this is a PCB I picked up off of Fleabay. Let me just turn the other light off. There we go, you can see it now. So that's an Atari ST520. It's about £16 from eBay. State not working. Absolutely dead as a doornail. I've done some initial testing on the supplies just to make sure there's nothing short circuit or anything like that, and everything looks normal. I can see some resistance of all the semiconductors. So what I've done is I've made, because I haven't got a 6-pin Molex connector, I've made up a bodge cable, which is some single PCB adapters and some little adapters here. I made, some time ago, I made a power supply for running my breadboard. So we got 5 volts, 3 volts, 8 volts, 12 volts and ground. So this is 5 volts, this is 12 volts and ground, which go through all these bodge wires onto the PCB. So this is a monitor I adapted. It's a cup monitor for a BBC Micro. With the help of Migritech, I managed to modify it to work with an Atari. That is a perfectly good working Atari monitor. Already tested it against my own Atari. So, without further ado, let's switch on and see what smokes. Okay, there's our expected blank screen. Okay, not so good so far. Okay, other than the flickering from the frequency sync problem which I'm seeing on the camera, the actual monitor display is perfect. Okay. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong. It's booted up to desktop. The seller said that it was absolutely dead as a doornail. Okay, what I did notice when I was looking around the board is somebody's had a go at the modulator circuitry. That chip you're seeing in the middle there, that has been socketed, not particularly well, so I had to clean the solder joints up. And there was also some crappy joints around this IC here, which is, I believe, looking at the component values, part of the audio circuitry. Very weird, but a bonus. So yeah, I don't know what to say. This is absolutely disappointing on the fact that I haven't got anything to repair, but a bonus as I do appear to have a fully working STFM board. What I will need to do is connect up a modulator, just a TV cable, which I'll have to do in the house because the monitor here doesn't take composite video in. So yeah, brilliant. That's what I can say. So this was a very, very short Atari ST, what was going to be a repair. Everything is intact. Nothing is untoward getting hold. The processor's got a little bit of temperature on it, but nothing unusual. RAM's a little tiny bit warm. Yeah, so my next step is to swap out my Atari STFM. Well, it's actually a 1040 STFM now, so I've put some extra memory in it. Drop this PCB in and connect the keyboard up and mouse and things and test those. But we'll get it in the house and connect it to a traditional television, which has a UHF connector in. I'll have a scope as well before I actually take it in the house to see if I'm seeing the composite video pictures appearing on those 3 pins there. We'll do that shortly. So from a very disappointed Atari ST repair video. Oh well.